What's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel, or hi or welcome if you're new around here. If you are new around here and want to be part of the Tearaway squad, then all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below, as well as that notification bell, because it will tell you when I tend to post, and I tend to post every Sunday and Wednesday at 5 PM, so you know the drill. So if you can tell by the thumbnail and by the title, if you're seeing this video, then it means that my brand new camera has just come in, and I am literally so excited for this. Like, I cannot believe I'm able to do this. Like, this has been the camera of my dreams ever since I started this channel back in 2015, and I'm about to produce such an amazing quality videos. Like, it's just about to get so much better. So yes, and that is what I'm gonna film today, is an unboxing of the Canon G7X. Oh yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. We do actually get started, I'm currently filming on the Sony HX80, which I have loved, so it's been a great starting camera. But I've been wanting this camera, like I said, for so long, and now it is in my hands. I cannot believe I have the G7X Mark II. Like, it is beyond crazy that I have this camera. So before we actually get into the box, I did also get this little bad guy with it. Well, I'll tell you more about that in a minute, but this, I actually paid for it on its own because I wanted a camera bag for it for when I take it out and stuff. So this is just like a little one. Let me just open it. There we go. And if I wanted to, I could most probably put my other camera in it, my Lumix, and it comes with a strap so I can wear it as a proper bag, of course. So yeah. So the bag itself was $16.99 from Argos, and this was basically it is the plug-in kit bundle, and I got this from Argos because nowhere else was doing the deal, and it was annoying because before it went up, just before the Boxing Day sale started, like, it went up in price instead of going down. And I've been watching the price drop like so many times, and this was such a good deal. I will leave the deal now I got down below in the description box, but the deal does run out on the 22nd of January. That's why I was able to get it early. So it comes with so it's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II vlogger kit. Everything you need to get started on your blogging journey. So like I said, I am starting to do lockdown diaries again, and this bad boy is gonna help improve. So as soon as I open the box, this is what I see. It's packed so nicely and so well. So you get a Canon's Guide to Vlogging, which I did have a look at in the car, so just like a little leaflet. Then it comes with a Gorilla Pod, which on its own is quite expensive. So for it to come in its own, like in a box as the kit, is really handy. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, because I've heard that the Gorilla Pods are the best tripods to use for vlogging. See, I do prefer my tripod so this is the tripod that I've been using with the Sony, and this is the Gorilla Pod. So I need to get used to obviously using it and everything, but I think I prefer this tripod to the Gorilla. So let's just put that to the side. Then you also get a 32GB SD card, which you can never go wrong. So let's go ahead and open up this so we can slot it into the camera. And now time to open yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, let's open up this bad boy. I cannot believe I'm actually opening the Canon G7X. Oh. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So obviously the first bit you see is the instructions, which I will probably have to read at some point, but we just put it to the side for now. So this looks like it's the power cable. So now it looks like it's the power cable. There's so many little bits in here. So you get the charging dock for the battery, and then the wrist strap. So let's take the battery out, and the camera itself comes in this little guy, and then oh my god, I'm just so excited, like it is so much bigger than the Sony that I'm currently filming on. Oh, this is the bit that I'm like, just look at that, guys. Oh, right, let's pop the battery and the SD card in. So I know a bit about the battery and the SD card because of my camera that I'm using now. Might need to charge the battery up a bit. Where did I put the SD card now? The SD card, there we go. Right, let's take the battery out and then put the SD card in, that might help. That's why the camera is not upside down. I mean the battery. And then turning it on. So now I just got to do the time and date. So it is Sunday the 27th, and it is currently,
it's 3:09. Good afternoon.
Oh my god. So I'm going to do a comparison from the Sony to the Canon, and yeah, so we're going to flip over to the Canon right now. So what's up, you guys? So I am filming this clip on the Canon G7X. So I need to sit around and fiddle with the settings, but this is basically a test shot, so it's so much better and I absolutely love it. So yeah. Alright, let me turn it off. Guys, there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Canon G7X. I cannot wait to properly use this. It feels weird. I'm just going to quickly put the wrist strap in because I don't think I'm going to be able to not get away without it. So, let me just quickly doing that. But I have to figure out all the settings on the camera and everything like that. So I will play around with it. But I cannot believe I'm holding the Canon G7X. So there's my new vlogging setup, guys. It's so much that yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go and play around with this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, as well as the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video, which will be out real soon. So until then, it's a bye from me, and I will see you guys real soon. So toodaloo.